This natural Mounjaro is going viral because Americans are losing crazy amounts of weight with this odd purple peel exploit. I saw it on the news and now I'm sharing it with you. This purple peel exploit made me go from 182 to 126 in 2 months. A lot of you might have seen this already, but if you haven't, you need to hear this. There's this new breakthrough from a top researcher, a guy who worked with Harvard scientists, and what he discovered literally changes everything we knew about fat loss. He studied thousands of people who were able to lose weight without crash diets, gym routines, or any of the usual stuff. And the one thing they all had in common, they were all using this purple tonic that taps into fat-burning cells with software gone for good. Basically, it works by reactivating the germ cells in your body that actually vaporize fat. Here's the kicker. It takes just seconds to do it every night. I know it sounds insane, and trust me, I'm not usually into trendy stuff like this either, but I decided to try it, and wow, it's like my body just started working the way it's supposed to. So if you've been stuck, you're frustrated, and nothing else has worked, you have to see this. I'm going to drop a link to the video in the description and in the comments. It's quick, it's easy, and the results are honestly kind of nuts. Just check it out.